ಹಾಸನದ ನವಕಿಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಐಇ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಭಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಮೈಸೂರು ಉಪವಿಭಾಗದ ಸಹಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ 2 ದಿನದ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಂಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ಸ್ ಕುರಿತ ಮೂಲದ ದಿನದ 2ನೇ ಈ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಜರುಗಿತು. ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನವನ್ನು ಐಎ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿತ್ತು. 2 ದಿನಗಳ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗಿತು.
So many theaters. So these are sovereignties. We have their sovereignty. That is why they will create. How they will create is very interesting. So that is why if AI will have questions, AI will be like humans.
Government of India with a 76,600 crore chip manufacturing site when they have provided 15,000 crores will be provided for the manufacturing of the semiconductors. You people have the brightest future the moment you come out of the BTech. So once again, congratulations to the students who opted the electronics and communication. You have got the brightest future. Looking ahead, the amount of investment the government of India and the other countries they are actually planning as a first phase, they have put it in Odisha, Punjab and Andhra Pradesh, and other states they follow in couple of months. And when you have got this brightest future, who else actually better works for your growth when you have got a person scientist lead 6G innovations. And sir, we are very happy because you are our future and whatever your innovations are there, we wish that you remember you remember Navkis College of Engineering, because we want the government of India, definitely they will be having some lack of human resources. They can look at our students and our faculty and you can take the major part and the outsourcing you can think of, and especially the places like Hassan, we expect more affection, more love towards the places because Bangalore is anyhow close, an arm away from you. But I thank you for coming all the way from the Bangalore to inspiring the young minds in the auditorium.
IEEE flagship conference of IEEE Mysore subsection we hosted here. See, I request actually the participants to attend the conference physically. Even from IEEE Bangalore section side also, we made mandatory for the physical conference actually. We try to avoid online participation. So because see, attending to the conference in physically, it gives more impact. So you can discuss with the session chairs and even the guests.
Like you had tools which they made marvelous things, right? So now you have the AI tools with you. What is expected is similar marvelous design structures which people will say talk about it 1,000 years down the line. Okay, so that's the expectation level which we have. Towards that, I have a small input which I can discuss towards the end of the session today. I will talk about my domain of work and what we do in 6G. If you're interested in the domain, please stay back till the end. And thank you again for inviting me to discuss again. Thank you. Thank you.
ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂ ಬಬಿತಾ ಜೈನ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿವಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೀಪಕ್ ಎಚ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರುಗಳಾದ ಮೋಹನ್ ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಶರ್ಮಾ, ಸತೀಶ್, ಸುನೀಲ್ ಬಾಳಪ್ಪ, ಮೋಹನ್ ಎಟಿ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಸಿಗೂರು ಸತೀಶ್ ಸಂಶೋಧಕರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ತಜ್ಞರು, ಉದ್ಯಮ ವೃತ್ತಿಪರರು, ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದರು. ಇಎಸ್ಎಸ್ನ 11 ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ 1,500ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಬಂಧ ಸಲ್ಲಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 240 ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪ್ರಬಂಧಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ.